What if I told you that the one thing silently destroying your kidneys right now isn't salt, isn't sugar, and isn't anything your doctor has ever warned you about? And what if the fix, the actual scientifically backed fix, has been sitting in your kitchen this whole time? I've studied kidney health in aging adults for years, and the single most heartbreaking thing I've witnessed is not the disease itself, it's the silence around it. Nobody sits down with a 68-year-old man and says, here are 4 specific foods that will flush toxins from your kidneys and help repair the damage. Nobody does that. Today, I'm breaking that silence. Stay with me until the end because the last food I reveal is the most shocking, and most of you are already consuming it without knowing its full power. Before we get into the list, you need to understand why your kidneys are struggling in the first place. Think of your kidneys like the filter in a fish tank. That filter runs every single minute, every single day, pulling out impurities, keeping the water clean, keeping the fish alive. Now imagine that filter has been running nonstop. For 60, 65, 70 years, processing medications, processed foods, environmental toxins, stress hormones. After decades of that, the filter slows down, the mesh gets clogged, toxins start building up, and the fish that's you start feeling it. Fatigue, swollen ankles, brain fog, things that are so easy to blame on just getting older. Here's what your doctor probably hasn't told you. After age 40, your kidneys lose roughly 1% of their filtering capacity every single year. By the time you're 70, you may have lost 30% of your kidney function and felt almost nothing until now. But here's the hope you need to hold on to, unlike your heart. Kidney cells can repair themselves under the right conditions. The right nutrition creates those conditions. Let's get into it. The first food is beets, deep red, humble, wildly underestimated beets. Now, some of you may have been told to avoid beets because of oxalates. That advice applies to a very specific group of people with a history of calcium oxalate kidney stones, for the vast majority of people over 60 dealing with age-related kidney decline. Beets are not just safe, they're extraordinary. Here's why. Beets are packed with natural nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes and widens the blood vessels inside your kidneys. When those vessels open up, blood flows more freely, the kidneys receive more oxygen, and filtration improves. A study published in the journal Nitric Oxide confirmed that dietary nitrates significantly improved renal blood flow in older adults with reduced kidney function. Beets also contain betaine, which lowers homocysteine, an inflammatory compound that directly damages the delicate cells lining your kidney tubules. Margaret, 72, had been told her kidney function was borderline for years. Her doctor said drink more water, reduce sodium, come back in 3 months. She started eating roasted beets 3 times a week. 2 months later, her creatinine levels, the key marker of kidney filtration, had meaningfully improved. Her doctor was surprised. Margaret wasn't. She had already felt the difference. Your simple action: wrap 2 medium beets in foil, roast at 400 degrees for 45 minutes, slice and drizzle with olive oil, or juice half a beet with an apple, ginger, and lemon for a morning drink that delivers everything in 1 glass. 2 to 3 servings per week is all it takes. The second food is something sitting in your pantry right now that you've never thought of as medicine: fresh garlic, not supplements, not powder, real garlic that you peel and crush yourself, and the way you prepare it changes everything. When you crush or chop a garlic clove, 2 components inside it, a lion and the enzyme alliinase, collide and create a compound called allicin. Allicin is one of the most potent natural antioxidants ever studied. It neutralizes the free radicals that cause what scientists call oxidative stress, essentially a chemical rusting of your kidney tissue. The filtering units of your kidneys, called nephrons, are devastatingly vulnerable to this kind of damage. Once a nephron is gone, it cannot be replaced. Protecting what you have is everything. Allicin also suppresses a molecule called NF-κB, the body's inflammation switch, which, when chronically activated, as it is in aging kidneys, drives a cascade of irreversible damage. Critical preparation tip: after crushing your garlic, let it rest on the cutting board for 10 full minutes before adding it to any heat. This allows allicin to fully form. Skip this step and you lose most of the benefit. Robert, 68, had been managing diabetes for over a decade and his kidneys were showing it. He started adding 4 crushed, rested garlic cloves to his daily cooking. Within 6 months, his inflammation markers dropped, his blood pressure improved, and his kidney labs showed stabilization where there had only ever been decline. Your simple action: every morning, crush 3 to 4 cloves, let them rest 10 minutes, then add them to eggs, soup, roasted vegetables, anything you're already making. This is medicine disguised as flavor. The third food is going to sound unusual: dandelion. Yes, the weed you've spent years pulling out of your garden is one of the most powerful kidney flushing plants on earth, and multiple cultures have known this for centuries. Now the science is catching up. Dandelion is a natural diuretic, meaning it increases urine production and helps your kidneys flush toxins and waste products more effectively. But here's what makes it special. Unlike pharmaceutical diuretics that strip your body of potassium, which can be dangerous, dandelion leaves are rich in potassium, naturally replacing what the body excretes. A study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that dandelion extract significantly increased urine volume over a 5-hour period in human subjects. Beyond flushing, dandelion's anti-inflammatory compounds reduce the burden on kidney tissue directly. It also supports your liver, and that matters. Because the liver and kidneys share the detoxification workload, support one and you ease the burden on the other. Patricia, 74, had chronically swollen ankles and a puffy face every morning, classic signs that her kidneys weren't moving fluid efficiently. She began drinking 2 cups of dandelion leaf tea daily. Within 6 weeks, the swelling was gone. Her kidneys were finally doing what they were meant to do, gently supported by something that had been growing outside her back door all along. Your simple action: find dandelion leaf tea at any health food store. Steep 1 bag or 1 tablespoon of dried leaves in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily, not in the evening, so it doesn't disrupt your sleep. If you know your garden is pesticide-free, fresh young dandelion leaves make a beautiful bitter. Salad green 2. Important. If you take blood thinners, diuretic medications, or have gallbladder issues, check with your doctor before making dandelion a daily habit. Now, the 4th food, the one I promised you, was the most surprising, the one that researchers have only recently connected to something that was previously considered impossible. I need you to really listen to this. Green tea, specifically high-quality loose-leaf green tea, brewed at the right temperature. You may have heard that. Green tea has antioxidants. What you almost certainly have not heard is what those antioxidants actually do inside your kidney tissue. The key compound is called agapo-galacatocan gallate. A comprehensive review published in the journal Nutrients analyzed over 30 studies on egg and kidney health. The results were consistent and staggering. Egg reduces kidney inflammation by suppressing multiple inflammatory pathways simultaneously. It protects podocytes, the specialized kidney cells that form the final barrier in your filtration membrane from oxidative damage. When podocytes are lost, protein leaks into your urine and kidney function drops rapidly. Egg shields them. But here is the finding that stopped me in my tracks. Egg has been shown to slow and, in some models, partially reverse kidney fibrosis. Fibrosis is the internal scarring that forms in damaged kidney tissue. It was considered permanent, irreversible, and yet green tea catechins are showing us that the story isn't over. The kidneys, given the right tools, will fight to heal themselves. James, 71, had stage 2 chronic kidney disease. His his filtration rate had been declining slowly for 5 years despite doing everything right. His granddaughter, studying nutrition, found the research on egg and sent it to him. James started drinking 3 cups of properly brewed loose leaf green tea every day. 12 months later, his egg had not just stopped declining, it had improved by 4 points. His nephrologist looked at his chart and said, "Whatever you're doing, keep doing it." Here is exactly how to brew it for maximum benefit. Use loose leaf green tea. The catechin content is dramatically higher than most bagged teas. Heat your water to 160 to 175 degrees Fahrenheit, never boiling, because boiling water destroys the egg. If you don't have a temperature-controlled kettle, boil water and let it sit for 4 minutes first. Steep for exactly 3 minutes. Never add milk. The proteins bind to catechins and cancel their activity. Drink 2 to 3 cups daily between meals for best absorption. So there they are. Beets to open the blood vessels and feed your kidney cells. Garlic to neutralize the oxidative damage destroying your nephrons. Dandelion to flush the toxins your kidneys are struggling to clear. And green tea to protect, preserve, and potentially help repair tissue that you were told could never heal. These are not trends. These are not wellness fads. Every single one of them has peer-reviewed, published science behind it, and not one of them costs more than a few dollars a week. Now, and I mean this with complete sincerity, please talk to your doctor before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have diagnosed kidney disease, are on blood pressure medication, blood thinners, diuretics, or immunosuppressants. Bring this research to your appointment. You deserve a doctor who takes this seriously. What I want you to walk away with today is not just a grocery list. It's the feeling that your body is not simply declining with nowhere to go but down. That is a story our culture tells older adults far too often, and it is simply not true. Your kidneys are trying to heal right now in this very moment. They just need the right tools. If this video gave you something real today, share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe if you want this kind of honest, research-backed information every week, and leave a comment below telling me which of these 4 foods you're going to start with. I read every single one. Your kidneys have been working for you every moment of your life. Now it's your turn to work for them.